This is Heston Cleveland
and Ricardo Love.
And this is the Indy Hookup.
The Indy Hookup.
Hook me up, baby.
We got the hookup for you. For show now. The hookup on playlist. The hookup on radio. The hookup on internet radio. The hookup on interview. The hookup on college radio. The hookup on information you need. The Indy
Hookup.
Welcome to the Indy Hookup. I'm your co-host, Ricardo Love, and here is your host, Mr. Heston Cleveland. What's up, Hess?
Well, Ricardo.
Yes, sir.
We back again.
Yep.
Every week.
Yep.
We back. Building. Hey, man.
Yeah.
What did you think about that Urban Influencers meeting, man?
Fire.
That was really nice.
Yes. Very good networking session.
Our friend Stephen Bird introduced us to Ziana. I want to say, I hope that's right. I saw her. The first sense you get is her beauty. She's a beautiful young lady. I didn't even care about the music.
Stop it.
But anyway, I decided to listen to the songs. And I sent Steven an email. I say, look, family, I got to have that other music. So he sent them over, man. And she's a hell of an artist. I'll spin that. I'll talk about that. But we got other artists I need to go into. We'll get all that down while we're moving on. We're also still introducing UK artists to America or USA, whichever way you want to call it. The land of the free.
But not for me.
Not. Ha. But anyway, check this out, man. We got Ziana. Wanta. Ziana again. Spend some time. Yeah. The Movement. 24s. Monique Danielle. You and Me. And she has 2. Up All Night. Mimi. Take Me on a Jet. And then Foreign. Featuring Fuego de Yabo. Les Black. Indira. I can't say what it is, but you could just say it's a bad day. Indira again. Mercury retrograde. Ziana. Attention. Girl, you keep looking like that, sounding like that, you gonna get a lot of attention. Lyric. All right. And The One. Then I had to bring this one back, man. Shout out to Uncle Rhino. Mr. Moot. Someday, Some Way. Man, I love that song, man. You know how, like, you hear the songs and it just make you feel good inside. That one there has stuck with me. Then we got our girl all the way from Colorado, the sundown town. Nicole Gobert, Set Me Free. Lord, please let that girl out the cage. Y'all gonna love hearing her. You know what, Ricardo? I think I'm talking faster.
Just a little bit.
What we do? Mixing, mastering, ISRC codes, radio interviews, YouTube interviews. We do it all to get you seen and heard. Building a nation. That's it right there, Ricardo. Reach over there and tap that man on the shoulder and tell him to tell them who we are.
The Indy Hookup.
Up first, Zaina with attention.
Looking for something greatly desired. And when I attain, I'm fully inspired. Feels like a blooming from the inside, like a baby from the womb outside. For the first time, craving a mother's embrace, the smile upon our face. It's your attention. All of your affection, forward in my direction. Give me all of your attention. Oh, you don't understand how much it means. You trying to be a man, it seems, but all that I need is some energy. See him energy reciprocated. Give it to me and let me live in your head, please, rent free. That is my dream anticipated. You keep me waiting, wish you would make it your duty to give me your attention. All of your affection, forward in my direction. And give me all of your attention. I'm dying slowly, I'm crying lonely. Don't you know this? Don't you know this? I'm dying slowly, I'm crying lonely. Don't you know this? No, you know this. You know this. Oh, attention. All of your affection, forward in my direction. Let it go. Give me your attention. All of your attention.
The Indy Hookup.
Double play. This is Zaina with Spend Some Time Outside.
Slow driving, we vibing, and I'm in the life, so we a spend some time. We thriving, no hiding, right timing. We just a dive right in because we outside. I spend some time, yeah, we a spend some time. We alright. I spend some time, yeah, we a spend some time outside. I spend some time, yeah, we a spend some time. We alright. I spend some time, yeah. So make we do what we always wanted. No more screechy rasta, now move like no ballin'. Cash flow and we not beg. Police not search we like we wanted. Slow driving, we vibing and living the life, so we a spend some time. We thriving, no hiding, right timing. We just a dive right in because we outside. I spend some time, yeah, we a spend some time. We alright. I spend some time, we just a spend some time. We outside. I I spend some time. We just I spend some time, and we alright. I spend some time, yeah. Open live, we in on the vibes. I party all night, see the sunrise. Arms unfolded on them, then unloaded. Then we roaming with no restrictions, feeling alone. Slow driving there, we vibing there. Right timing, yes, I dive right in. Honey, honey, this is paradise. Honey, 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 this is paradise. Outside, I spend some time. Yeah, we spend some time. We alright. I spend some time. Yeah, we spend some time. We outside. I spend some time. Yeah, we spend some time. And we alright. I spend some time. Yeah. Da 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 da. Outside. Da 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 da.
You're tuned into the Indy Hookup. You're now listening to Monique Danielle lately.
I'm tried and trying, and often wonder why I've got to fall. I've been thinking that it might be better with you. Might take lesser hurt out. I've been thinking that it might be better with you. I've been hoping for your sweet love in my I've been holding on to pillows, kissing dreams of you. I've been thinking that it might be better with you. I've been thinking that it might be sweet dreams talking, can't leave your skin, is breathing with me again. Or can't keep your loving far from me, want you to be here eternally. Could you hold it down for me? I've been thinking that it might be better with you. I've been hoping for your sweet love and I've been holding on to pillows, kissing dreams of you. I've been thinking that it might be better with you. I've been thinking that it might be the way that you walk, the way that you talk, the things that you say, the way that you make me feel okay. Things that you say, the way that you talk, the way that you walk, the way that you make me feel okay. The way that you walk, the way that you talk, the things that you say, the way that you make me feel okay. The way that you walk, the way that you talk, the things that you say. I can't keep your loving far from me. I've been thinking that it might be better with you. I've been hoping for your sweet love and I've been holding on to all those kissing dreams of you. away from me. Every little piece exactly how I want for you to be with me.
The Indy Hookup.
This is Monique Danielle with You and Me.
I get lost, searching for business for me to mind. Instead, I find this stolen kisses on my thighs. Brush it off, shake my head, eyes shut tight. I end up here every time, distracted by thoughts of you drowned in me, call on you, wrapped around me, tell me how you got me. I'm a prisoner, I'm not free. No matter how I try, I'm still trapped here in my mind and can't stray. All the things that you do, mine's a mess. Imagining your breath on my neck, and your birdie calls out for mine. I want that picture in your mind, where you'll find so you drowned in me, call on you, wrapped around me, tell me how you got me. I'm a prisoner, I'm not free. No matter how I try, I'm still trapped here in my mind, You drowned in me, caught on you, wrapped around me, thoughts of you trapped in me, caught on you, tried to get you off my mind, but I can't seem to fight temptation. I don't know why, but I won't lie. I know you won't be fighting it too. We'll just do what we do.
The Indy Hookup.
This is Up All Night. Monique Danielle.
You don't know what you want, I'll make it easy. You want me, that's it. You know it's true. Why you doing what you do? It's a little shame, 'cause when you say my name, that's it. I'm not arguing, baby, I could. I'm yours, why won't you be mine? I'm begging you to leave this time. He can't stress you, all he wants to do is fight. Got you staying up all night, when I could keep you up all night. I'm trying to eat the cupcake, touch you in your special place, put your legs all in my face. He can never do what I do for you. Bare minimum demands a fool. face belongs online. I don't know why you're wasting all of your time for the man that don't even treat you right. And he can keep you up all night. Got you stressing, all he wants to do is fight. Got you staying up all night. Got you staying up all night. I could keep you up all night. I could have you up all night. Ain't no pleasure, baby, why don't you decide? I'll keep it up at night. When I could have you up all night. I could keep you up all night. Ain't no pleasure. Insomnia gon' haunt you forever. Baby, won't you let me do you right? Said I could keep you up all night. He got you stressing, and that insomnia's gon' haunt you forever. Baby, why don't you decide? Let me keep you up at night, up at night. Got you stressing, all he wants to do is fight. Got you staying up at night, and I can keep you up all night. Got you up all night. Ain't no pleasure, baby, why don't you decide? He gon' keep it up at night. He can keep you up at night. Have you up all night, up all night, doing you right, holding you tight. I'll make you mine. You won't regret it.
The Indy Hookup.
Up now, this is Mimi. Take me on a jet.
Take me on a jet, get me far away from here. Escape the cold and wet, need sunshine to help me heal. It's just you and me, go scared we disappear. Ordinary life, not for us, and you believe, yeah. Give me with your presence, then I shall surrender. My body, my mind, and my soul. You have control. Oh, you don't know that my eyes call me staring. You should be so daring. I just want more and more and more, more and more and more, more and more and more of your love. I just want more and more and more, more and more and more, more and more and more of your love. Take me on a jet, get me far away from here. Escape the cold and wet, need sunshine to help me heal. It's just you and me, go scared we disappear. Ordinary life, not for us, and you believe, yeah.
Baby girl, I need more. Take you round the world, take you on tour. I take you for a dance on the dance floor. You're looking hella fine, loving all your flaws. I love it when I got you in my paws. I promise I'm never missing any of your calls. I love it. I never ever thought that I could fall till I met you. Now you got me feeling like I need you. Hold you, squeeze you. I think I wanna breathe you. What's your life like? What's your mind like? Heard you're single, guess I came at the right time. I like you, I hope you think likewise. 5 foot something, yeah, you're my type. Hot spice. I'm trying to give you my heart. Can't nobody come between us, ain't no splitting apart. Get your bags, pack your clothes, come we get in the car. Fly away, take your mind off the past.
I just want all or nothing. Give me something. Just want more and more and more of your time. Can we so wine? Get me so excited. Heart starts to climb. Why can't you take me on a jet, get me far away from here? Escape the cold and wet, need sunshine to help me heal. It's just you and me, go scared we disappear. Ordinary life, not for us, and you believe, yeah.
The Indy Hookup.
This is Ford, featuring Fuego Diego, Lex Black.
Said she want a long drive in the 4-room whip. Jeans tight, foreign things. Said she want a real one, I can take her away. Said she want a long drive in the foreign whip. Jeans tight, foreign things. Said she want a real one, I can take her away. She wanna do it for me, she gonna do it for fun. She wanna do it for me, she gonna do it for fun. New function. See it in her eyes, she wanna sit in Meliodas. Wanna feel the miters on my Cobra. Wanna get them. Told her she in love, but I ain't a lover. New phone shui made Royal Rumble. Horsepower, I ain't poppin' no. Chasing Dolo, yeah, that's every day. Taking risks, corporate in the mains. If you a classy baby, meet me in the middle. Got a baby, I mean, I put my credentials. They peepin' recipe, you know I'm influential. And no free, I knew a Mazzy fundamental. Vibes I touch, you can't get close to. How the game goes when him is not you. Talking when they mix Sheen with the Mew Mew. My type of feng shui, my type of feng shui. She spends her days at the gym in a buddy Michelin, yeah. Told her let's go out of Spain, but she wanna go to space. Said she want a long drive in the foreign whip. Jeans tight, foreign things. Said she want a real one, I can take her away. Said she want a long drive in the foreign whip. Jeans tight, foreign things. Said she want a real one, I can take her away.
Baby, I've not landed yet.
She wanna do it for me, she gonna do it for fun. She wanna do it for me, she gonna do it for fun.
The Indy Hookup.
Up now, this is Indira with Itty Day.
Been so hard cause I just lost my man. Lady, please try to understand. Without my baby I just can't sleep, I get bad dreams. I do what I want when I want. You would do it too but you can't. And see I've had to pay so many bills I gotta pay, so I do what I want if I want. I do what I want when I want. You would do it too but you can't. And see I've had pay so many bills I gotta pay, so I do what I want if I want. Don't bother with it, ain't got time. 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 Lady, you just don't understand. If you walked in my shoes, tell me what would you do, lady? Please try to understand. I need some empathy, cause I've been going through it, ain't nobody lend a hand. I do what I want when I want. You would do it too, but you can't. See, I've had to pay so many bills I gotta pay, so I do what I want if I want. I do what I want. You would do it too, but you can't. See, I've had there's so many bills I gotta pay, so I do what I want if I want. Don't bother with it, ain't got time. 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 I do what I want when I want. They I do what I want. You would do it too.
The Indy Hookup.
Double play. This is Indira with Mercury Retrograde.
hear your feet, hear your feet. He told me he hits it in his dreams, in his dreams. Oh, hear, oh, hear, oh, hear, oh, hear your feet. If I'm in your city, it's simple not to see you. See, I've been obsessing about all the things we could do. I'm just still waiting for you to call me. And baby, come show me how much you want me. If I explain it on the retro gate. See, I got my needs, gotta get it in some way. The same way, see, we all got addictions. I'll be the first to admit it. He don't need too much convincing. And for this, he could fit, he could fit. He told me he hits it in his dreams, in his dreams. Oh, here, oh, here, oh, here, oh, get some brain, get some brain. And for this, he could fit, he could fit. And he told me he hits it in his dreams, in his dreams. Oh, here, oh, here, oh, here, oh, here, fit.
This is Lyric with All Right.
Except I'm grown, face life out on my own. It's time to get myself together. Wasted enough of time on trying to build a life I knew that wouldn't be forever. Ready to step out all on my own. Ready to find a place to call home. Sunrise, sunshine, shining down on me as sure as the night sky, moonlight. I know that I'm gonna be alright, 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 alright. I'm here for new beginnings. Time for me and my healing. Ready to face what I've been fearing. Cause I've been meditated, focused on manifesting. My dreams come true, there ain't no question. I'm ready to take off all on my own. I'm ready to find a place to call home. Just to show us the sunshine, shining down on me as sure as the night sky, moonlight. I know that I'm gonna be alright, 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 alright. I'll be alright, alright, alright. Be alright, alright, alright.
Now, this is Lyric with the one.
Don't make sense, but it makes sense. You got me breathless. It don't matter the distance if I got you. I've been broken, I've been bent. In love, I've been careless. Hope things will be different here with you. Cause baby, you're one of one and I adore you. I can't say how long I've waited for you. Across the oceans, conquer fears for you. I'll go out my way. Boy, I'll pack my bags and leave to stay. Just say the word and wanna play. Let me know the time and place. Cause I wanna be next to you, loving you, touching. I wanna be feeling you near till you kiss. And I wanna be the one you come home to. There's nothing I want. I wanna be the one. I wanna be the one. The one you know you can depend on. One that you'd be proud to take home. The one that you tell all your friends you love. The one that you can share your thoughts with. One that you fill your passport with. Build a life if that's what this is. Tell me, is it? Baby, you're one of one, I'm here for you. Everything I want and more, I feel the energy is so deep. I need you here with me. Oh. When I close my eyes and when I wake, running through my mind all day. Impatient, I don't wanna wait. Cause I wanna be next to you, loving you, touching. I wanna be feeling you near till you kiss. And I wanna be the one I'm home to. There's nothing I wanna be the one. I wanna be the one. Said I wanna be. Call on when you're home and feeling lonely. Be the one you're missing. Be a lover and you're only wanna be the one you're proud to introduce me to your family. Wanna be the one you know gon' hold you down and keep. Cause I wanna be next to you, loving you, touching. I wanna be near till you kiss. And I wanna be the one. I wanna be the one. I wanna be the one.
The Indy Hookup.
This is Mr. Moots with Someday, Someway.
When the world turns its back on you, just remember, God never does.
See you through. say I know it's hard, I know it's God. I know when problems come and never seem they solve. I know when faith is lacking, then your trust in God and get dissolved.
It seems it's folded heaven.
Just keep ringing while we bother call. Same when Saul was headed to Damascus and was turned to Paul. I seen the in me. Was I cut above or was it seeping in me? Have I conquered anger deep within me? Is it sleeping in me? God and hate, they stand between me. Sin's a mess, I hope he sees me. God, he hears my cry. Don't let me die before I try within me.
I still hear your call.
Through the silence,
you've been there through it all. When I couldn't see,
you believe in me. Now I walk by faith, not what I see.
Someday,
some way, sometimes.
When I'm down,
only the Lord.
He sees in me.
He sees in me. What I see in you.
Came up back from death. Diabetes eating up and through me, trying to snap me, but can't have my breath. Now, cause all I have is left. God, he loves me more than X. That was more than sex. With me and Jesus, we had started to play. Got my life together, off a tether. I was reading letters, stuck off in the pen with so much sin. Well, hope that it get better. Yeah. Been off in the mix, tip a 4 and dropping 6 on them. This here a hit on them. Don't make me pull up and sit on them. This here for Jesus, I'm real on them. Yeah, yeah.
He sees your pain.
He knows your name.
He knows your name.
Every tear you cry,
it ain't in vain. Hold on, don't let go. Even when your heart feel low, God got a plan, just trust his flow.
Someday,
He saw something in you before you saw it in yourself. So don't give up. The story ain't over.
This is Nicole Nobert with Set Me Free.
Where you at? 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 I've been down too long. Set me free. Nothing can go wrong if you're with me. Set me free. Is that a key in your pocket? Are you just glad to see your girl? You might be the one to unlock it. Open my cage to the world. I'm blind and confused. It totally keeps me chained. My love for you is absolutely restrained. I've been down too long. Set me free. Nothing can go wrong if you're with me. Set me free. Always the damsel in distress.
never captured. Say you love me, please confess. We'll live happily ever after. Open the door with all of your passion. I saw one more. I ain't good at asking. I've been down too long. Set me free. Nothing can go wrong if you're with me. Set me free. Where you at? 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 Baby, where's your key? Don't you wanna be with me? It's like I've been living inside a cave, and you're the only one who's brave. Find me fast, break down these walls. I'll forget my past, so nothing falls, falls, falls. Nothing can go wrong if you're with me. Set me free. I've been down too long. Set me free. Nothing can go wrong if you're with me. Set me free.
The Indy
Bonus track. This is Trey Williams. Beauty in Me.
Girl, I walk through the storms. I've stumbled and I've fallen. Carried the weight of mistakes that kept on calling. But when I look in your eyes, I see forgiveness there. You lift me up so high. Girl, you show me you care. And when the night gets heavy and I can't find my way, your love is my shelter. It's brighter than the day, 'cause you see the beauty in me. Even when I'm broken, when I'm down on my knees, you hold my heart so tender, set my spirits free. 'Cause you see the beauty in me. I've been a man with shadows chasing behind, but you look deeper, found a light I couldn't find. With every gentle touch, every word you say, you paint a picture of hope that won't fade away. Girl, you turn my sorrow into a song of grace. And every time that you hold me, I see a better place. 'Cause you see the beauty in me. Even when I'm broken, when I'm down on my knees, you hold my heart so dear.
the world tries to blind me, baby, you help me see. Through every storm and struggle, your love's my melody. You see the beauty. You see the beauty in me. Yeah. You don't know what you done to me. No, yeah. When I look in the mirror, baby, oh, I see a better man. I see a better man, baby.
Bonus track. This is Krishana with Truth Be Told.
Truth be told, coming for you, yeah. Truth be told, coming, hey, yeah. Truth be told, I'ma tell the truth, I'ma tell the truth. Truth be told, coming. I know you may not like it, but I'ma keep it righteous. Only two sides when I lose, and you're gonna have to choose. But don't you wait too long, you don't wanna end up wrong. Eternity's a long time, and you cannot press rewind. Didn't have to do it for me, now, but you still made it right. Now, no, I wasn't perfect for you, but you still gave your life. Truth be told, coming for you, yeah. Truth be told, coming, hey, yeah. Truth be told, coming. I'ma tell the truth, I'ma tell the truth. Truth be told, truth, yeah. Your word is my strength, yeah. I won't bow or bend, yeah. Ain't no second guessing. Prayer is my weapon, ready for the battle. In a world full of hassle, say what you want me to. I'm gonna tell the truth. Didn't have to do it for me, oh, no, but you still made it right. Oh, no, no, I wasn't perfect for you, but you still gave your life. Truth be told, coming for you. Truth be told, coming, truth be told, I'ma tell the truth, I'ma tell the truth. Truth be told, I'ma tell the truth, I'ma tell the truth. Truth be told, coming for you. Truth be told, coming, hey, yeah. Truth be told, coming for you. Truth be told, truth, yeah.
The Indy
Hookup. Bonus track. This is Big Mike Hart, the Penthouse Suites. Ran out of time for this show. Indie artists, you can submit your song to Mr. Heston Cleveland at HestonCleveland5@gmail or the Indy Hookup at gmail.com. That's INDY. Or go to the IndyHookup.com, INDY.com. Thank you for joining us here on
The Indy Hookup.